Ah. Ha!
Action!
Hey, what's happening, all you hip, cool cats? My name is Kit, and welcome to our YouTube channel called Chicago Reacts. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that ring bell notification. That way, you're made aware when we upload new content onto our YouTube channel. And again, we are so grateful and thankful that all of you are so faithful in joining us and watching our React videos. We appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. But today, right now, let's start on point of maybe why you clicked on this video. I'm flying blind into this series. It was recommended to me by the management, and it's titled Chainsaw Man. It's an anime from Japan, and it's season 1, episode 1, titled A Dog and a Chainsaw. So, a pupper and a chainsaw. Now, obviously, Japan does not screw around with its storytelling, and I hope nothing bad happens to said dog or puppy. But again, this is Japan we're talking about. No holds bars, but this also holds a special place in my heart because, as I've said in previous React videos, before the world went upside down in 2020, I was actually in Japan for about 5 weeks, and that place really grew on me. I really enjoyed seeing Tokyo, Kyoto, Hiroshima, and a few other locations as well. And any chance to just enjoy Japan and anything from it is always a special treat. So I got my nice calming tea right here. Mm, very delicious. And I'm just ready to enjoy this video. So, again, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that ring bell notification. Also, check out our Discord. Please consider being a patron supporter as well. We do appreciate all the support we are getting on this channel. And any assistance you guys and gals can do to help us boost up, we do appreciate it. And if there's a fun series or YouTube channel you want us to react to, well, just type in the comment section below, check out our Discord, and so much more. But then, let's get started with our first story of the day, and that is Chainsaw Man, Season 1, Episode 1. So let's enjoy this video. Let's hear the story of Chainsaw Man, and we'll go forward from there. And no spoilers, because I do read the comment section. So there you go. But since I'm in charge of the ones and twos, I'm going to pull up the cam display. Boom. Because again, I'm in charge of all the fancy buttons. And let's play this video. All right. Head to work. That sounds like a dog right there. $60,000 a month for cutting down trees, right? By the way, that is such a scenic view. I've seen villages like that in small towns like that in Japan when I was traveling. It's very beautiful. It's beautiful. Then there's the kidney I sold that's worth 1.2 million. My right eye was 300. Yo! Yo, what? I still owe. Dude! What? Yeah, that was. Wait. How did he get that dog doing that? What? All right, that's a pretty catchy intro right there. Hey, I wonder how much of that intro will be seen, or any of those scenes be seen in the series. Because knowing a typical anime opening, it's usually the characters in different locations wearing suits or something else, doing things that never really do happen in the series. So there we go. No spoilers. Yo. Yo. God damn it. You don't deserve that. He's paying off. Well, technically, it's his deadbeat old man's debt. Yo. Hey, man, if you think your life is rough, try being that guy. He sold his eye, sold his nut, one of his kidneys. Come on, man. Oh, jeez, he's like Beavis and Butthead. He'll never score. Until tomorrow to put 7 on. Yo, how is he gonna do that? Yo. Yo. Oh. That poor pupper. Hmm. So apparently in this world, devils do exist. Aw. That's the dream, buddy. Yeah, it does. Yeah, woof. Oh, come on. The hits just keep coming for this dude. Come on, dude. Give this guy a break. Seriously, I'll give him a Kit Kat. Why not? And be like, hey, here's a Kit Kat from Kit Kat. You deserve a break, man. Yo, he's gonna double cross you, dude. Man, never trust criminals. Ah. Ha! Wow. Run, dude, run. Oh, man, it's like Project Zomboid. Go, 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 go. Look out. Ah! What the hell? Shit, is this the end of our character? Well, what was the point of introducing him to us? Uh, yo. Aw. You could talk the whole time? Go. Oh, what? He's gonna die again? Oh. Hell yeah. Get him. Yes. Yes. Kill him. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Get him. Yeah, got that fat boy. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yes. Ah, that's glorious. Japan, you never, ever disappoint. And we love you for it. The people love you for it. I think me and Chainsaw Man are gonna become very, very good friends, and the Emperor approves of this violence. Someone got here before us. Yeah. Seeing that, I'd be like, okay. You know what? You got this, buddy. Bye-bye, and I'm walking out. Aw. Oh, she gets to hug him. Aw. Yeah. What's for breakfast? The most important meal of the day, folks, and that's personally my favorite meal of the day. Breakfast. It's how you start your day off strong. A strong breakfast. Sounds awesome. Aw. My breakfast is bacon, toast, coffee, cream and sugar in it, small bowl of fruit, and yeah, pretty much it. Yeah, maybe some scrambled eggs too. And okay, I think we learned something here today for this episode. Number one, I want to see where this series goes, but it looks like our boy is finally gonna live his best life. He's gonna, I guess, work with those devil hunters now. To which I have to say, very good. Really sad to see the pupper go. Little guy really grew my heart. I was surprised like he got chopped up. But then again, it doesn't surprise me that the bad guys or criminals would try and make a deal with some kind of devil entity, thinking that they were going to be a-okay and everything was going to work fine for them in the end, which is never good. Um, but I really like that scene when he was really ripping them up and showing those bastards who he really was, and he became the Chainsaw Man, Japan's greatest hero ever. But I mean, again, anything from Japan, storytelling, uh, top notch compared to what we're seeing with, well, Marvel or DC. Hope I'm no opening up a can of worms with that one, but whatever. I mean, the quality from DC and Marvel failed, has fallen drastically. But that again, conversation for another day. Conversation for another day. But um, I'm gonna watch more of this series. I want to see where this goes. And I'm wondering where they're headquartered at. Probably most likely somewhere in Tokyo. Probably Tokyo. So I'm going to go now to episode 2. So if you want to see more of this or more fun reaction videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Chicago Reacts. Be sure to hit that ring bell notification. That way you're made aware when we upload new content onto our YouTube channel. And also, again, if you want to check out more, please check out our Discord. Again, we do appreciate all the support we're getting here. Please type in the comment section below your thoughts of this series. Really liked. It grew on me. But it looks like he's also fully restored. So it looks like he got his kidney, his eye, and his one of his nuts back too, and that's priority. So he's a full-fledged man again. Didn't have to cut himself up to sell off a debt. So I do wonder if any branch families to that Yakuza group are going to want revenge. Possibly, maybe. Again, we'll find out more. But the only way you're going to find out, again, is if you're subscribed to our channel. So, see ya on the flip side, you hip, cool cats. I'm out.